Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese, and today we're looking at high temperatures ranging in the mid-20s for almost all of us, as we'll still have present winds dropping feels like temperatures into the single digits today. Let's take a look at our setups. Now, that area of low pressure that brought those strong winds yesterday has moved off to the east. However, we're still keeping with a pretty prevailing flow here of winds out of the northwest to start the day. We do, however, have an incoming clipper system that's going to allow for additional snowfall that could bring some light accumulations. Now, this is occurring this evening. You can see that clipper approaching here at 7:30 p.m. and traversing its way through the state by the time we reach the 6 a.m. hour tomorrow morning. And then during the daytime hours on Wednesday, behind that area of low pressure, a cold front will advance south through the state, allowing for more snowfall on Wednesday as well. So 2 more days here, not only of the year, but also to track snowfall. Let's take a look at our wind gusts. We've seen already this morning gusts up to 38 miles per hour, but we will see a gradual weakening trend throughout the day. By the time we reach the afternoon, wind gusts will only be ranging here from about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Still breezy, but again, nothing near what we saw yesterday across some of our neighborhoods. However, once this clipper advances through, what we're going to be seeing here on the back end is winds strengthen a bit. We could see gusts heading into Wednesday ranging from 30 to 35 miles per hour. So still quite breezy. Again, though, not comparable to what we saw yesterday. A look at our satellite and radar shows cloudy skies sticking around, as well as that lake effect snow that we still are observing throughout our neighborhoods this morning. Once we get into the afternoon hours at around 3 p.m. and into the evening hours is when we'll start to see snowfall return to our neighborhoods affiliated with that clipper system. Again, what we could see here is some light accumulations. We'll get to our snow map here in a sec, but this continues even past midnight and starts to teeter off by the time we enter tomorrow morning. Here's the second round late in the morning into the early afternoon hours on Wednesday. We're looking at 1 p.m. Wednesday, continuing into the evening, exiting by 9 p.m. If we take a look here at our snow map, this is just today through tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. A lot of us are looking at only an additional 1 to 2 inches. Heavier accumulations off to the west, but again, nothing like what we saw yesterday. Here's what we're looking at once we head into Wednesday's round. Nothing too crazy. Again, across our neighborhoods, another 1 to 2 inches possible. A look at our super 7-day forecast shows temperatures for both days as well in the mid-20s. Again, very similar as we enter a brand new year, 2026. We will be drying up with mostly cloudy skies and temperatures cooling off a bit in the lower 20s, possibly upper teens with overnight lows in the single digits. We'll warm again heading into Friday and our weekend with highs back in the mid-20s. This is still a bit below average, however, for this time of year. We should be seeing daytime highs now at freezing, 32 degrees, and we'll inch closer to that by the time we end our weekend and start a brand new week. 29 degrees on Sunday with a chance for some snow showers in the afternoon, evening hours, taking us into Monday morning with highs at freezing.